So I'm slowly going back to my routines. Now I'm taking a walk in our big city forest and it feels really great. Today is Friday and I thought you can join me. So let's go. So I really love having the opportunity to take a walk in the forest, and as you see here is a little road you can little you can go on, and I like to mix them up. So up my walks, some like forest, deep into the forest for like just my mind and my spirit. And then some on this and then walk on this little path just to keep the speed up. So that's for my heart. Look at these beautiful surroundings. Since I had some spare time before work, I decided to clean my jewelry and my rings. So I used this little diamond and gold cleaner and they became really fabulous. So today I thought I could quit work a little bit early, so I'm taking my lunch in front of the computer. Not recommend that, but today we have to do it. And this is just leftover spaghetti with vegan bolognese and some tomatoes. Just pick them from the garden. So now I'm packing up for the night, so I'm switching out to my home computer. Here's my work computer. Let's give this little stuff going, and we are ready for vacation, or well, maybe a weekend. So let's go. Favorite snack, it's a overnight oat. It's with chia seed and some oats, and now I had like frozen blueberries, so super yummy.
Jag tror bara 70 tum va? Hej! Var vill du åka då? Vad man säger ja.
Hey,
Hej.
are you happy? It's Friday.
Ja, fantastic.
We're having a beautiful day. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and it's really not hot, but it's warm in the air. So feeling great. Hubby sitting here chatting with his brother, and I just little mushkin. Now I'm gonna go grab a wall hang up for our new TV, so that's gonna be great. Came today and hubby's gonna fix it. So bag of the day is this tote, and it looks like so, and it's from a Danish brand, Dolbjerg Copenhagen. I don't know if they have production anymore, but I really love this bag. It's beautiful color and it's nude, and I also got my initials there. So good morning, welcome. It's Sunday and I'm super tired, and I did wake up with this. Let's just show you. Look at this, so yummy. Hubby been up since, I don't know, forever to fix this bread for us. I'm so thankful. Yummy. So on my morning walk I decided to create some content for my YouTube channel and for my Instagram. So I put my phone and my camera on the stones and yeah, just vlogged a bit. So now the rain came. We had an amazing day, really soft. Did do a walk in the forest, and yeah, did a ton of stuff, and then just relaxed. Oh, so nice. Need to do my nails, but now it's time to edit this vlog and prepare dinner. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and I hope to see you soon again. Have a fabulous day, night, or wherever you are. Bye bye.